This 2024 Palomino Puma Ultra Lite 20BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Lebanon Junction, Kentucky, 40150 and is offered for sale by Right Stop RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 26 feet 0 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.